I'm going to do my makeup. This is my makeup bag.
Ano nangyari sa'yo ba?
Ali, mag-makeup tutorial. Come,
Ay!
get ready with me.
Nadinig-biday ka?
Ali, diri ari pag-makeup.
Wala ko sa amin.
This one. I didn't wash my hair para pilit siya. Hindi ka bun. Siya ka nang... Ali, mag-makeup tutorial to Carol.
Hi guys, welcome to Ati Pati's channel. Today's video, she's gonna do her makeup for our performance later.
Why are you sick? Lagi bang pagaw na to?
Lux Organic Beauty.
Ali, magkuha na to.
This is
Ah,
the Beauty
parang-
Mist, y'all. And then this one is, what is this?
Y'all.
Fine to refined compact powder. BNB. This is a lip
Hatag na po na
tinted
ninyo, oy.
lip balm
Sa boys.
from
Bang? Oh.
Says Lady.
Now, I've done my
It's
done my
black,
time.
guys.
And this is how I put my foundation on. Watch and learn, Carol. Watch and learn.
Look.
We will sing later at 6 p.m. And he will rest because he is coughing. Coughing.
Cafe?
Coughing? Coughing ta?
Oh my gosh.
Ano,
Nag-review man din na ate. Uy!
Ang ano?
Yan na.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Sa usa ka space na.
So cool. Hello guys, we're gonna sing.
We're gonna sing
We're
later.
gonna sing
Later. We're not gonna sing right
Later.
now.
Collarbone.
Scholar bones. Because we are scholar ng bayan.
You say scholar ng bayan?
Ikaw. Ako. Tayo mga
Tayo
Pilipino. I'm going to do my brows using this Intuit. I think this has been with me for
Uy.
4 years. That's how I put. That's the only amount.
Oh. But I can't see.
Okay. So, the next thing that I'm going to do is my eyeshadow. I'm using this face palette from Vice Cosmetics. It's the Jelly Eugenio collaboration or
That's
collection using the eyeshadow brush from the same collection. I love this eyeshadow color so much. You can lighten it up combining this setting powder, or you can have a subtle pink color, mixing this pink blush. And look at the magic. Can I transition music? Right? It's
Now,
not much, but
I'm done.
it's what you need.
Yeah. I'm done with concealer. Now we're gonna move on to the foundation. Foundation is very important because it creates the foundation of your makeup. It's the pillar of every.
Just like that. And using just this color because earlier, not English one.
dapat tayo ay
Kasi, yung kanina, sa base ng aking eyeshadow, ginamit ko tong colors na mix. Yes. Ngayon, gamitin ito lang.
punitin ang sedula. Natulog na dyan ba yan na sila?
Ito lang. Para ma-darken yung dito, outer side ng ating eyeshadow. Eyes, I mean. Para may... You know what I'm saying? So that's the base of my eyeshadow. Very simple. Very, very, very simple. It's very flexible already.
Wow.
Yes.
So it's shaped already.
Yes. It's malleable.
Wow. That's amazing.
Grade 8 science. Malleability. I'm done with my lashes. I guess.
She's done. She's done. She's done. She's done. She's done.
Done. Ay, bitaw. We're done with her lashes.
Oh my gosh.
Ay, parang ano yung sa'yo mo? What we're doing right now, she's making it into a bun. Me, I'm
Oh my gosh.
braiding my hair because... So that's my hair. I can...
Can move?
Yeah.
Padungog.
Natuloy.
Okay lang din. Duha ka sa portion di ba, sir?
Pre-vocalysis routine. You say joy.
Katungkuan ba katungkuan?
Ay, Cherry! Kay baon ako, unsay topic. Malayang komunikasyon.
Ah!
Apple kayo.
Sige, ask one question. Sige, ask one question. One low energy na dyan kayo po niya. Wa pa ta ka
Ano taga na to? Ano na ako, if na yung mga
Sige, ipakitang gilas natin ang ating mga nalalaman upang tayo ay
gumborday. Gumborday.
Sige, gumborday.
Ay, nowadays, dili ang mga like differences sa walisin,
Sige, alis mas musa na sa bulan Rizal. Ay, ingat kayo, di dasalan at sunan si Pilipinas demo bisian ano. Di sa Espanya sa Pilipinas. Si. Akong ipatay. Kung sila sa kung biba, kang wala sa kang kita pang high court bill. Basta ito naroon lang lang siya. Number 2. Alis mas musa na hindi kabilang sa agda ng tungkong kalan. Eh, order ni sa Espanya nang hindi ng Pilipinas sila lahi iha del private di ako ang
Noli.
Noli. Ako ang
Basta lang ako hindi buwan.
Alin sa mas musa hindi kabilang sa agda ng tungkong kalan. Ito kalan.
Pilo ka ng mga video. Char.
Sige, number 3. Ang akdang hinay ay sinulat ni Aprikario Mabini. Hinay. Aprikario Mabini. Di Jose Corazon de Jesus. Si Pedro Paterno. Di Jose Abansan.
Si.
Si Pedro Paterno.
Reggie Velasquez.
Kauna-unahang nobelang panlipunan sa wikang Kastila na sinulat ng isang Pilipino. Again, kauna-unahang nobelang panlipunan sa wikang Kastila na sinulat ng isang Pilipino. A. Nena at Neneng. D. Urbana at Feliza. C. Doctrina Cristiana. Pilipino.
D. Oh, si. Bye, we're gonna perform. See you again.
Kang kay isda kahapon brayo.
Yo.
Ni ko
Earth with joy forever.
With joy.
With joy.
With joy. With joy. Kana. Imo kay kamar ko mag-hesitate mo ang flat siya. Kailan na mo gikanta? Na practice ina.
I dream that one day.
Hello. Third day mukbang.
natay hard copy ani na. Na kinsa
Did you know? I was sitting there. But it was so windy.
Kalit na biyan siya ko apple.
Dili authentic mo na. Nag-narrate on that down sinitabon. Not really a fan. No, like, di ba? Nakakan ka wa? Ah! Don't be like her. You must eat breakfast.
Hi, we are performing today at the background. My final look with the red lipstick. No, kuha mo lang. Give her Agnes all you need, so that's it.